Artificial intelligence is growing at lightning speed, with over 15,000 apps worldwide. But behind this revolution lies one power source: GPU farms. And now a new wave of innovation is making it possible for anyone to be part of it. Until now, crypto mining was only for the few. A single advanced GPU costs more than $10,000. Delivery takes 3 to 6 months. Electricity costs eat into profits. And rewards fluctuate with crypto prices. For everyday people, entering this market was expensive, complex, and risky. But a major shift is happening. Big mining farms are converting GPUs from Bitcoin mining into powering AI data centers, cloud computing, and DePin networks. Even giants like BlackRock and NVIDIA recognize this as the next trillion-dollar opportunity. Why? Because powering AI workloads is more stable, scalable, and profitable than traditional mining. This is where NodX Labs comes in. With over 2 years of innovation in blockchain and DePin, NodX partners with UAE's largest GPU farms, leveraging ultra-low nuclear energy costs, 24/7 professional hosting and maintenance, AI-driven software that boosts GPU performance. And here's the breakthrough. Instead of buying a whole device, users can own a portion starting from just $100. This makes it simple, affordable, and transparent for anyone to generate daily rewards from GPUs powering AI. By combining low hosting costs in the UAE with advanced AI optimization, NodX can deliver average monthly rewards of up to 7.8%. That's not speculation. It's based on real infrastructure, real GPU farms, and real energy powering today's AI platforms. This means users aren't just mining crypto, they're earning passive income by fueling the global AI revolution. NodX Labs is led by a proven team. With strong leadership, partnerships, and a clear mission, NodX is positioned at the intersection of blockchain, DePin, and AI. The future is here. AI and blockchain are merging to create new opportunities. With NodX Labs, you don't just watch this revolution, you own a piece of it. Join today. Power the AI revolution. Build passive income for tomorrow. NodX Labs, redefining blockchain, DePin, and AI.